Hi friend, this is Amit and here is a very important video for all the PWD student. Here I am going to provide you as you all were asking me for this video. So here is the information, that is JEE Advanced Exam 2025 marks versus rank versus IIT, that is marks versus your PWD rank, and how much rank you should have to get IIT college. So please try to check the video up to the last so that you will get the complete information. After watching this video you will able to get the complete information. So there is three type of college in IIT: top 7, average up to 15, and lower up to, that is last college. So I will discuss about each and every. So if you want the top 7 IIT with CSE branch, then your rank should be 30. For general PWD, I am talking about CRL PWD, because for OBC, SC, ST, PWD, EWS, PWD, in some college there is seat, in some college there is no seat. So I can't go in that detail. For if you want to ask personally to me, you can contact me. There is a very nominal charge for that. Without charge you can't contact me. If you will contact, you will listen to my bad words. Otherwise I can't control my agreements, because you people are totally disturbing me again and again. So I am telling you very respectfully, please try to respect my time as well. If you want the guidance, then only contact me. Otherwise be a subscriber and check the video. You will able to get the regular video. If you irritate me, I will not able to make the video, because I am not getting lots of money from this video, because 300-400 views I am getting, and neither I am getting too much subscribers. So no one is covering the PWD category. That's the reason, because there is very less number of students, and those students are some students. I'm not telling about all students, but some 5 or 10% students are too much nonsense. They always try to create problem for me. Always they will contact me, I am this, I am that, please help me, one question, and it is not possible. So kindly contact me only if you want the proper guidance. For one session charge is 1000. For complete guidance, charge depends on the demand. As during the time whenever you will contact me, it changes. So whenever you will contact me, you can ask for the charge. So now if you talk about the female, up to 120 rank you can get the CSE in top 7 college. For female there is big reservation. For lower, 170 and 200 rank, it is CRL PWD rank. And if you are from OBC PWD, SC PWD, then also you will get CRL PWD. So you can take the reference from here. For top 15, that is average college, you can say. So CSE 130 and 200 rank, that is male and female. Lower branch means anyhow you just want the IIT college, then you have to get 220 and 280 rank, that is for male and female. Now for lowest IIT means anyhow if you want any type of IIT with CSE 200 rank, and for lower 300 rank, that is for male, and for female 300 and 360 rank. Almost 400 or 390 students get qualified for JEE Advanced rank list, that is in JEE Advanced examination. So out of those, almost all students get the college. So here is the information for marks versus rank. This is the very important, because once you know this, you can prepare accordingly. And if you want my complete counseling guidance mentorship, in the next section you will able to check the detail, so that I can help you in the preparation as well. Now if you will contact me, and then I will guide you for physical verification. Even if you have 5 or 10% problem in your body and you have made the 40% certificate, I will help you in that to get the clearance of PWD verification, that is physical verification, and you will get the college. Otherwise once they will reject, even if you will get 160 or 200 rank out of 360 in JEE Advanced, you will not get the admission. So here I will inform you about my mentorship. As you also know, for PWD I am the only person who is guiding from last 6-7 years. So here I will provide you the detail and know the best benefit of your reservation. Get the best IIT for 100% sure, because PWD reservation is the most powerful reservation, and for what are the criteria you need to fulfill, everything I will tell you, and I will make you eligible so that you can get the best result at very low score. And best roadmap and strategy I will provide you so that you can prepare well, because at less marks you will get, but those less marks is also very tough to get in main and advanced, because this is very tough exam. Call and message options will be available. Video session also available 24/7. Whenever you want, you can contact me. All the options are available. One-to-one college counseling will be there. That is, I'll be doing the counseling for you, choice filling, decision making for each round, and after that for complete admission process I will be guiding you until you join the college. And most important thing, that is physical verification. Without that you can't get the admission. That is 100% my surety. You will get the verification done, that is 100% sure, don't worry for that. So for 160 plus, under 5 rank for sure, 140 under 10, 120 under 30, all are CRL PWD rank. For 100 plus, 60 or less than that, for 80 under 90 rank, for 70 plus under 120 rank, for 60 plus under 200 rank, for 55 plus under 310 rank you will get. Now if you talk about the cutoff, 5 marks subject wise, 55 marks all 3 subject combined. Preparatory rank 2 marks subject wise, 28 marks combined all 3 subject. If you get, then you will get preparatory rank. What is this? I will discuss with you personally one to one when you will register with my guidance. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to watch the other video also in the PWD playlist so that you will get the idea how much important is PWD revision about the PWD category. So hope you find this information very useful for you. Please try to subscribe the channel and try to share this video as much as possible. Thank you.